Hi, one more question in wave equation is given. First read this question very carefully. Here we have to find the displacement function y of x comma t. First write the displacement function y of x comma t is the solution of the wave equation dou square y by dou t square equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. Put it as equation number 1. Now we have to write the four boundary conditions. The four boundary conditions are, first boundary condition is y of 0 comma t equal to 0 for all t. That is, when x equal to 0, the displacement y equal to 0. The second boundary condition is y of L comma t equal to 0 for all t. Third boundary condition is y of x comma 0, that is the initial deflection f of x. Initial deflection or initial displacement f of x. At a time 0, the displacement y, that is y of x comma 0, which is initial deflection. In the question itself it is given as it is initially at rest in the equilibrium position, which means initial deflection or initial displacement is 0. Here f of x is given as 0. Now fourth boundary condition is initial velocity, that is dou y by dou t at time 0, which is taken as g of x, which is given in the question itself, that is the velocity at time 0. Dou y by dou t at t equal to 0 means initial velocity is given as v0 sin cube pi x by L, 0 less than x less than L. Here we write all the four boundary conditions. Now we have to find displacement function y of x comma t equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an sin n by x by L cos n by at by L plus bn sin n by x by L cos sin n by at by L. Here an is 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x sin n by x by L dx. Also bn is 2 by n by a integral 0 to L g of x sin n by x by L dx. Here f of x is given as 0. Therefore an equal to 0. Since f of x is given as 0, an equal to 0. Now we have to find bn only. That is 2 by n pi a integral 0 to L g of x is v0 sin cube pi x by L sin n by x by L dx. Here v0 is a constant, it can be taken outside. That is 2 v0 by n by a integral 0 to L. Then sin cube theta is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Therefore sin cube pi x by L is 3 sin pi x by L minus sin 3 pi x by L by 4 sin n by x by L dx. Now we have to separate this into two integrals by opening the brackets. By opening the bracket, we can write as two integrals like this. Now we have to do these two integration. For doing this integration, we have a formula. Remember this formula, that is integral 0 to L sin m by x by L sin n by x by L dx equal to 0 if m not equal to L. If m equal to L, the value is L by 2. Remember this formula. Using this formula, we have to find all the values for Bn, that is B1, B2, B3, B4, etc. Here it is given as B1. Now we have Bn. Now we have to find B1. For finding B1, here sin pi x by L, also sin pi x by L. That is these two are same. Therefore the value of this integral is L by 2. That is 3 B0 by 2 n pi a into L by 2. Here substitute the value of n as 1. That is 3 v0 L by 4 pi a. Here we got the value for b1. Then B2 is here sin pi x by L, also sin 2 pi x by L. These two values are not same. Here the value for this integral is 0. Here also sin 3 pi x by L, sin 2 pi x by L. The values are not same. Therefore here also 0. That is B2 equal to 0. Now we have to find the value for B3. B3 equal to B0 2 into put n as 3 pi a, then sin pi x by L, sin 3 pi x by L. These two are not same. Therefore value for this integral is 0. Here also sin 3 pi x by L, sin 3 pi x by L. These two are equal. Therefore value for this integral is minus is here L by 2. That is into minus L by 2. That is here we obtained as B3 equal to minus L B0 by 12 pi a. Now we have to find B4, B5, B6 etc. All other values are 0 because these two parts now will be the same for all the values like B4, B5, B6 etc. That is all other values are 0. Only B1 is here and B3 is here. Now we have to find y of x comma t, which is sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an sin n by x by L cos n by at by L plus bn sin n by x by L sin n by at by L. Here an equal to 0. Therefore y of x comma t contains only p and n. That is y of x comma t equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L sin n by at by L. Here sigma n equal to 1 to infinity means it is a summation of n equal to 1 to infinity. That is, by putting n equal to 1, first term is b1 sin pi x by L sin pi at by L plus second term is b2 sin 2 pi x by L sin 2 pi at by L plus third term will be b3 sin 3 pi x by L sin 3 pi at by L plus etc. Here the values for B2 equal to 0. Only value for B1 is there and B3 is there. Value for B1 is here value for B1 is 3L B0 by 4A pi. Therefore this term will be 3L B0 by 4A pi sin pi x by L sin pi at by L. Now value for B2 equal to 0. Therefore this term will be cancelled. Then B3 as minus L B0 by 12A pi. Then sin 3 pi x by L sin 3 pi at by L. All other values are 0. Therefore the solution will be like this. Okay.